Okay, so we're on day 2 virtual now. So basically, what's going on is I went to California for my Christmas break, and the day I was supposed to fly back, I got a fever. So finally tested, and I am positive for COVID. That means I'm not allowed to go back home yet because you're not allowed to fly with any symptoms. So I am determining when I will return back to class. Hopefully, I'll be back by Monday, but we'll see. So here's just a little summary of what we're going to do today. We're going to try and do things as a video in front of the class to make sure everyone does it, but we'll see how that goes. So today, let's make this bigger. Okay. So expectations. You guys are grown-ups. I think that you can handle getting all this done during class, and I know you don't like doing homework, so just do it now. I get that it's a pain, but I'll be back soon, hopefully. So just make sure you're doing everything that I put in Canvas. If you have your notes by you, I do have to make a quick correction to last class's notes. I told you that a four-sided polygon was a rectangle. That's one example of a four-sided polygon, but just a four-sided polygon is actually called a quadrilateral. I'm sure a lot of you have heard that word before. That was my bad. Not rectangle, should be quadrilateral. So go ahead and make that fix to your notes. The next thing you're going to work on is fixing practice 6.1. So I'll have another video after this one that the sub will play for you. And I will work through a lot of the problems on there for you, and you'll have the opportunity to get full credit. And I really advise that you use this because this is the first grade in the grade books. No one likes to start super low. Thank you to everyone that sent me emails and had questions about that. Hopefully this email clears anything up, and then if you're still stuck on any, go ahead and send me another email. Let's get those up to 100%, so the first grade in there's high. Then there will be another video for your notes for today. We'll do those in class instead of having printed copies because not all the classes got those. With me being gone, you're going to take those notes on your device. So the link is in Canvas. Just go ahead and click that link, fill them in, either Word or OneNote, and just make sure you save them somewhere that you'll remember. And then you'll do another practice assignment today. So like I said, we're not going to do printed copies today. I also wanted to bring up some people's goals. I was reading through them. I haven't gotten through everybody's yet. But some people's goals for the semester were about staying organized, and I thought that was a really good one. So I just wanted to bring up the Reminders app on iPhones or the equivalent on Androids. Microsoft To Do. I would see if you can open that on your device since you already have a Microsoft account. It's like a student planner that's virtual. I was looking into it. You can organize it by class. I'll go over it when I come back to school. But that's a really good one if you just want to write down all your homework in one place or just do a reminder list. I literally have a paper I write down on every single day. I have to have a handheld one, so whatever works for you. Reminder, do your work in class. I can see if you're doing it. I'm watching from here because I have nothing better to do. Do your work so I can grade it. Don't start the semester behind. I know I'm not there and that makes it more difficult, but I'm still here to help as much as I can. We'll do seats when I get back. If you guys are getting all your work done while I'm gone, then I have no issue with picking seats. But if nobody's getting anything done, then obviously we're going to have to do a seating chart. And send me any emails with any other ideas you have for how I can help you while I'm stuck here. Now, so like I said, next thing you'll do is go to the practice video, which hopefully the sub will be able to get on the screen for you. Fix all your mistakes and you'll get full credit for that. And again, I'm giving you some of the answers on that, so make sure you pay attention to the video during class. Then you'll do your notes. And lastly, you'll do your practice. Try on every single one, and I'll give you your grade, and then we can do corrections on that too. These will run a little bit differently when I get back in person, but we're doing what we can for now. And then the homework is, again, multiple choice, shouldn't take super long. Go ahead and email me with any questions. So that's what we're going to do for today.